So my career progression started when I was 17 because I'm a very practical person and I need to be physical and practical and getting hands-on and involved. And I thought an apprenticeship is exactly what I need, and Sulzer offered that.
Sulzer HR team actually visited my high school, well, around 15 years ago, and advertised the apprenticeships. And to see a global manufacturing company in Leeds that produced some of the highest powered pumps in the world, it started to get more interesting.
With 4 years, I did an apprenticeship. I did 6 months within fitting shop, I did a year within inspection, and I did a year within the production and planning. And planning took a shine to me and I took a shine to it, and it was from there that my boss just offered me the future within that department.
To say that I started as an apprentice and then I moved through the business, but with the support and development that I was given, my progression in 15 years and all the way through I've been supported by the business. So I think that just shows that there is great opportunities here at Sulzer.
They want me to go to the next step. They offer me everything. If I ask for it, you put in 100%, Sulzer give you 100% back, and that is what I love about Sulzer.